Hi, thanks for joining me. We are going to be doing a 5-minute back strengthening workout. So let's get started and I'll talk you through it as we go. You're going to come on to all fours. Find your hands under your shoulders, your knees under your hips, and when you're ready, exhale to round your spine, and then inhale to arch. So we're going to be focusing on the mid and upper back, that thoracic spine area, which we tend to hunch forward all day over computers and over the steering wheel, so it's good if we can help strengthen and open that up. I do think back strength has a lot of different components, so if you are looking for an overall program, I recommend some of my other videos in addition to this. So they include some hip strength and bridging and a lot of great overall programs like my workout for low back pain and low back strengthening, but this is going to give you a good mid-back quickie workout. So let's find halfway in between those two and bring the right arm out in front of you and then the left leg back behind you. So hold it here, reach fingertips and toe tips long and little pulses. Lift, lift, lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back down. Other side, left arm, right leg, reach them long and little lift, lift, lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Bring it back down and slowly lower down onto your tummies. So you're going to have your forehead on the mat and your arms out to a T. Okay? So when you're ready here, you're going to exhale, just lift your arms and then inhale, lower them back down. So it's just a little lift. They just lift to about body line. And then back down. So we're getting some work here in the middle traps in your posterior deltoid. Kind of getting those muscles ready for some work we're going to do. On this one, lift and stay here. We're going to pulse it again. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms come to your sides, palms up, and little pulses. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sweep your hands around so they end up right under your shoulders. Legs can be together or hip distance apart, whatever feels better to you. And now we're going to gently lift our head and our chest. Your hands are really just balancing there. You're not pressing actively into them. I want to use the upper back muscles for the work instead. So you inhale, just barely lift your head, and then do the work from trying to shine your chest forward. The inhale to lift is going to help with your extension. On this next one, if it's okay for you, lift your hands so that they're hovering. Now on this one, lift and stay here. We're going to bring the arms out in front of you. Then, like a breaststroke in the water, sweep them around to your sides. Maybe you can lift a little higher. Then your elbows bend just to bring the hands back to your shoulders and then lower back down. All right, so we're going to lift. Reach the arms out long. Sweep them around like you're swimming. Lift higher. Bend the elbows. Come back down. Lift, reach, and lower. Let's do 2 more. And last one. So I'm inhaling to lift and reach, and then exhaling to sweep around and bend and lower and just rest on one cheek. And now we are going to go into swimming. So let's bring arms in front of you. Legs are back long. Lift your head, arms, and your legs, and alternate kicking and swimming here. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Pause. Lift everything. And then lower, rest on the other cheek. And let your legs just windshield wiper side to side. Good. Lower back down. Press your hands underneath your shoulders and lift all the way up into a full extension. Maybe look over your right shoulder, over your left shoulder, center, and then take your time shifting back to a child's pose stretch here. Settle your hips in. And restack. So that would be a great workout to add, again, to some of the other back strengthening routines I have, or even at the end of your cardio session to help with a little bit of that mid-back strengthening. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.